Do you often feel like your money disappears too quickly? You're not alone. Whether you're just starting out in your career or trying to get your finances back on track, understanding basic financial planning can make a world of difference. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps of financial planning in plain language to help you take control of your money, reduce stress, and start building the life you want. What is financial planning? At its core, financial planning is the process of managing your money so you can achieve personal goals. It's not just about saving money. It's about understanding where your money is going, making it work for you, and preparing for the future. Whether your goal is to buy a house, retire early, travel the world, or simply live comfortably, it all starts with a solid financial plan. Step 1, assess your current financial situation. Before you can plan where you're going, you need to know where you are. This means taking a close look at your income. What do you earn monthly, after taxes, expenses, fixed, like rent or mortgage, and variable, like dining out, debts, credit cards, loans, or any money you owe, assets, your savings, investments, property, etc. Use budgeting tools or a simple spreadsheet to create a clear picture. This snapshot is your financial starting line. Step 2, set SMART. Financial goals. Financial goals should be smart, specific. Save $10,000 for a car. Not just save money. Measurable. Know how much you need. Achievable. Be realistic. Relevant. Aligned with your life goals. Time-bound. Set a deadline. Setting clear goals gives you direction and motivation. Step 3, create a monthly budget. A budget is your money's blueprint. It helps you allocate your income wisely. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, rent, groceries, utilities, 30% for wants, entertainment, hobbies, 20% for savings and debt repayment. Customize this based on your goals. Stick to it, review it monthly, and adjust as needed. Step 4, build an emergency fund. Life is full of surprises, medical bills, car repairs, job loss. An emergency fund is your financial safety net. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Start small if you need to. Even $500 is better than nothing. Step 5, manage and reduce debt. High interest debt, especially from credit cards, can be a major obstacle. Strategies to tackle debt. Avalanche method. Pay off high interest debts first. Snowball method. Pay off smallest balances first for quick wins. Always pay more than the minimum when you can. And avoid taking on new debt unless it's absolutely necessary. Step 6. Start saving and investing. Saving helps you achieve short-term goals. Investing grows your wealth over time. Start with a high-yield savings account for short-term goals. For long-term goals like retirement, consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or retirement accounts like IRAs, etc. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Step 7, protect what you have. Financial planning isn't just about growth. It's also about protection. Get the right insurance. Health, auto, renters, home, life. Create a will or estate plan to ensure your assets go where you want. It may not be fun to think about, but being prepared protects your family and your peace of mind. Step 8, monitor and adjust your plan. Your financial plan isn't a one-time thing. It's a living document. Life changes, and so should your plan. Review your finances every few months. Adjust your budget, goals, and savings accordingly. Celebrate small wins. They keep you motivated. Bonus tips for financial success. Automate savings and bill payments to avoid late fees and missed goals. Live below your means. Don't let lifestyle creep eat your income. Learn continuously. The more you know, the better your decisions will be. Don't compare. Focus on your own goals, not someone else's timeline. Financial planning may seem overwhelming at first, but it's really just a series of small, smart steps. Start with one. Stick with it. Over time, you'll build not just wealth, but confidence and freedom. Start your journey today. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money.